The universe has kept many opportunities for us, only we have to recognize it. As a human being, we have only one life to do the things for our goodness and for the rest of the people. So, how we do it? We have to find out a true potential of ourselves. We are unknown about our true potential. We have tremendous power to make it possible. So, why late? Let us talk on our true potential. Hello friends, I am Mamta. Welcome you to my channel. Now this world is suffering from a disease on which nobody has control over it. Only people are getting pain from the disease, fear to lose self and family members. Many people have lost their job, struggling financially, getting frustrated, losing hope, etc. So, why we'll cry for something which we could not do anything? Let's pray for all and keep a hope on our scientists and researchers to find out the solution. But we can keep hope for ourselves. How we can identify ourselves? What is our true potential? Why it is important for us? And how can we find out it? This is the best time in our life to recognize ourselves by giving more time as me time. What is our true potential? The true potential is our maximum capacity to develop ourselves through studying, training, and practice. The maximum upgradation of skills beyond our comfort zone. So, why it is important for us? Here are some reasons. If we decide to be successful and want to achieve our goal in a time period, we must unlock our true potential. If we want to bring out of best in us, then we must unlock our true potential. If we want to help somebody to find out their true potential, we must unlock our true potential first. And then, if we want to be happy in our work and wants to get self satisfaction, we must unlock our true potential. Now we'll see how can we get our true potential. The first point is find our core values. We must find out our core values in life, how we are seeing ourselves, how we are looking to others. Just think when we were filled with happiness and self satisfaction, which is still coming in our mind, what we have done for others, which is unforgettable, and pushing ourselves to do it regularly. What is giving the meaning of our life? And second is think of two people who we really admire and why. The third point is self awareness. Spend time with us alone and find the purpose of our life. Are we here in this world for simple living only, or God has sent us for any big reason? What can we do for us as well as for others? What is our maximum capacity? We should be self aware. Keep willing attitude. We are seeing many examples in life that someone is having a limited work and someone is doing a great for themselves and for others. How it's possible? It's because of the willing attitude, doing attitude. Just commit ourselves to do great within less period of time. The intention of doing should be pure. The next point is be proactive. Only dreaming big and planning to achieve things are not enough. We have to take action mode. We have to be proactive to do the things. The next point is list out our maximum capabilities and recognize it if we are not able to do it. Then seventh point is keep learning new things. Learning and developing the things Learning and developing the skills should continue in our life. There is no time bound for our learning. Always keep learning new things. Don't be harassed and never give up. Keep trying things till we achieve the success in it. If it is not working as per us, then think that our decision is not wrong. Only we have to change the action plan. Living our life in the best way possible and bringing our the bringing out the best in us will give us true sense of happy life. If you like my video, please press the like button, share my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.